Hey everyone, welcome to my KTP Low Content channel, and where I am going to give you top 1 Halloween coloring book niche. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KTP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what this niche are. Now you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name is Romarai, and I do videos and on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So let's go Amazon KTP Marketplace and search our new profitable micro niche Goblin OWWN Halloween coloring book. Goblin Halloween coloring book. So there is a 398 results Goblin Halloween coloring book. So obviously this is a micro niche and with a good profitable niche. There is no this type of book upload in marketplace, so huge amount of chances you have to earn more revenue to upload to work Goblin Halloween coloring book. So huge amount of chances to earn more revenue Goblin Halloween coloring book. Goblin Halloween coloring book. Goblin coloring pages. Goblin coloring pages. So uh, so there is a huge amount of opportunity to earn revenue Goblin Halloween coloring book. So uh, we can search this niche in another way. Activity book. Activity book. ACTIBITY. Activity book. Here Goblin Halloween activity book, there is 471 results. 471 results Goblin activity book. So here is the chances of sale Goblin Halloween activity books, Goblin Halloween coloring book. So personally I think there is a really good niche to get into earn revenue. So if you make a good quality cover and good manuscript and choose uh, keywords correctly and upload this book Amazon KTP Marketplace, then you have to uh, sale generate from Goblin Halloween activity book, Goblin Halloween coloring book. So guys, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share more niche, more ideas, and you get notification bell icon at a time. So please do subscribe my channel and comment my videos, what type of video you want to niche, you want. So thank you so much. Thank you all.